I get this question all the time. Devin, what's the best way to turn one winning video format into a repeatable 1-0 video series? The short answer is don't copy the video, copy the structure. Here's the framework. First, freeze the parts that made the original work. Usually that's the hook style, the promise, the order of sections, the pacing, and the thumbnail title relationship. That's your chassis. Second, rotate only one variable at a time. Change the topic, or the audience, or the tool, or the difficulty level, but not all four. Beginners mess this up by calling everything a series when every episode is basically a different show. Third, build a 1-0 video matrix. Video 1 is the broad version that proved the format. Videos 2 through 4 solve the same problem for different subtopics. Videos 5 through 7 compare options, mistakes, or case studies. Videos 8 through 10 raise the stakes with advanced versions, speed, cost, or results. Here's the decision rule. If 70% of the outline stays the same and 30% changes, you have a repeatable format. If every script needs a brand new structure, you don't have a format yet. If you want to operationalize that, Satura is useful as the workflow layer for turning that matrix into scripts, assets, and a clean publishing pipeline. One winning format should become a production system, not a one-hit video.